देव हांकां दाखयतलो नॅशनल थिएटरची प्रॉपर्टी आमची आसा ही जी तेंच्यानी विकपाक काडल्या हांकां देव दाखयतलो हांकां आनी देवूच हांकां बुच्च शिकयतलो मुद्दम तुम्ही पळया
विकपाक काडल्या काय लीज दिता ते सब
विकपाक आतां हाका ते बिल्डरांक विकपाक दिता तूं एक लीज एग्रीमेंट जो सोंपलो 2007 तोय जाणा आपूण आनी हे कायद्यान तो व्हरता म्हणून तो कॉम्प्रोमायजाक कोण येता केन्ना जेन्ना ताका दिसता की आपूण तो गेलो खंय खंय अप्रोच जालो ताका ते खंयच रिलीफ मेळना स्टे मेळना ताका तो आतां कॉम्प्रोमायज करूं येता कित्याक तेजे खंय साधना म्हणून अरे आमची प्रॉपर्टी आमी कित्याक कॉम्प्रोमायज करूंक जाय आमी सांबाळून दवरूं जाय आमची प्रॉपर्टी आनी ह्या न्यू पॅनल आयला बिल्डराचे पॅनल आयले सगळे बिल्डराक हेल्प करपाक आतां विकपाक काडल्या हेंच्या सगळी प्रॉपर्टी एकूच न्ही आनी हेतून खूब आसा कमराबाट आसा आनी कितें सगळें हेंच्यानी विकपाक काडला
एकूच एजेंडा असलो हय
See, I'll tell you in short, this council under the leadership of Rohit Monsarat doesn't know the objective of calling for a council meeting. The basic objective is to discuss and debate the agenda. He just doesn't want to discuss anything. Just call for it, pass. Just call for it, pass. That's not the way it works, isn't it? Now,
The worst mayor Panjim ever had is Rohit Monsarat.
आणि इतकी दादागिरी केन्ना पळोवना आमी
He Dadagiri
He तकलेक मारले,
another
तकलेक
2
मारले.
months will be Dadagiri. Then he will know his place. People of Panjim will show them the place of the entire family.
आमची प्रॉपर्टी विकपाक दादागिरी इतकी दादागिरी
हा?
मेजॉरिटी आहा म्हणून मेजॉरिटी आसा म्हणून
50 कोटी येवंक जाय आमकां 20 crores of market, around 30 crores of house tax trade license, or total 50 crores आमकां हाडूंक जायना. हे मार्केट थर्ड फेज करूंक जाता हे प्रांस ते कॉमर्स लीज एग्रीमेंट करना मार्केटीचे लीज एग्रीमेंट करना 50 कोटी येवंक जाय सीसीपीक हे 14 फायनान्स कमिशन ते पयशे आहा ते काबार करूंक जाता लास्ट मिटींग तेमी जी सुडाचे प्रपोजल धाडले की सगळे पणजीची ड्रेन जी सुडा करतले आमी पास केले आतां तेमी हाडल्या सेम ड्रेन्स आनी ते 14 फायनान्स करचे म्हणून म्हणजे म्हाका कांयच समजना कितें तें हिंगा आवया बापूया आनी आतां कमिशनरूय कसो तेमचे आयकता म्हाका कांय समजना देव कोण घेतला आमचे
हेंकां कोर्ट दाखयतलो देव दाखयतलो पणजेकारूय दाखयतले हेंकां तो मोद मारला पळय हेंकां पणजेकार बुच शिकयतले
And what about other cooperator?
They are all missing, no?
तेंकां आनी
they are only doing this. They don't speak anything. I'll tell you one more point.
तुम्ही वॉकआउट केला आता
Of course.
We are boycotted.
ओके
Just
only
to give you
to
one more
Before.
point.
Only
They
three.
want to extend some workers for another 6 months. Now we have asked them on what basis you are appointed and give us a name. They have just put 181 people. They should give us what work they are doing, what is their designation, nothing on what is their previous performance. Doesn't work this way, no?
This is nothing but election gimmicks. बाबूजान सांगलें न्हू आपण घराघरांनी दितलो म्हणून ताका दिवंक जावना म्हणजे तेजे तालिगांवचे लोक हांगा हाडून हांगा भरले म्युनिसिपालिटीन आनी म्युनिसिपालिटी फारीक करीत आहा
Lot of the salaries are not yet paid of the
which salary?
contract staff of the CCP here.
आपल्या
He has given a bite. In the Diwali month, you are not paying salaries. It's not right.
Total 4 नी तुम्ही
Four.
back off. Thank you.
Ex-mayor had walked out.
So there were a lot of points in your agenda. I don't know which point he walked out exactly. But I just like to say first that is not the way somebody. He was an ex-mayor also, no. That is not exactly the way he should carry himself. Okay, and he's also now an inspiring candidate for whichever party he wants to stand for. But we want to apologize for that first. But second, we had a lot of other works that I don't know which point particularly he was talking about.
But he was talking about the National Theatre that.
Exactly issue of the National Theatre.
See now that National Theatre now has been pending in court for some 13 years. Okay. So now we know for a fact that we'll go into court for another 5 years or even another 10 years also now. So now the CCP is in desperate need for funding. Okay. Now the outstanding over this past few years now has been like some 37 crores. Okay. So now even if we want to plan like say any initiatives for the city, we cannot because we do not have the funding. So now we are hoping to settle the National Theatre thing. Basically for an alternative means of income. Now he is accusing us of wanting to sell the property and all, which is stupidity. Now what we've done is we've approached the government to grant us a 15 crore special grant for next year. So we want to utilize that money for the development of National Theatre. That is basically it. He is just unhappy because it wasn't done in his time and it's done during our tenure. That is it.
Now, is CCP trying to,
Sell.
the way he is trying to saying that CCP is trying to sell the
Sell.
See,
national.
first of all, now everyone knows what Uday is like. He would have sold his building also if it was possible.
No,
Now
that
we are
is-
not interested in any of that. So we are doing everything properly. All our documents and everything are ready for all of you to scrutinize at any point also. You all can sit for our meetings. There is nothing for us to hide also.
Commissioner just.
See, we're taking a very practical approach
Yeah.
to this. As we go the normal way, he's insisting that hearings take place. Hearings are going to take place for going to take a long time. Individual hearing. Till the time the matter is heard and disposed. And if it is disposed of, whoever the agreed party will go to appeal, the next set of hearing will take place. But we don't know how many new councils will come in and the building is going to come down. So in order, in the interest of the CCP, interest of the Panjim citizens, residents, and in the interest of our own purpose, we decided we'll enter into an agreement with the parties to withdraw the petition and we'll see what is the best we can work out. That is why we put it to the council for the approval.
With the same party or whichever party approaches?
No, the
There's only
present
one
document, there's only one.
There's only one.
So the same one?
Say, yeah, the one guy who was it.
Who is that Lido, no?
Rao.
Rao.
So he is satisfied whatever your compromise on that.
For that we require a council approval to approach him and talk to
Yeah,
him,
now what happened?
bring him to
It is
the
approved now in the
negotiation
meeting.
table.
It
So
is
now it has been approved.
It has
also.
been
approved.
approved.
Yeah. Now you will go ahead with it.
Yes.
We go ahead with this.
No, but any amount which has been left pending by that earlier party or something, which has to be paid to CCP or something like that?
We'll have to check whether it is.
Then we'll verify from
I'll
our
get the
council.
ATO to give you all the details.
He's talking about recruitment.
There is no recruitment.
There is no
We're
recruitment.
not recruiting anybody. There are only 181 staff which was there earlier with us now. We just got the
See, normally
contract.
we renew it every 3 months. But now we've just decided to renew it every 6 months because it's one less agenda point that we have to take.
So there is no addition.
Nothing,
No addition at all.
Nobody has been added.
No, and secondly, he's accusing CCP of not paying salary.
You can,
You can go to the accounts and verify.
You can verify now.
I will not answer that. Go to the accounts and verify. Everybody has been paid.
He was accusing them of the
No,
contract.
Uday does that only, no. That is his job basically, to make a noise. That is it. Nothing has been done during his term and he's trying to put us down.
Market third, what about this third phase? Instead
See,
of
now
getting
what-
second phase, they are heavily.
So that we have decided. So now for the third phase now it is approved already. But what we've decided now is we will wait until we solve the second phase issues and then we will go forward to the third phase. Because then it will become irresponsible as we've not selected for second and we're going forward with third.
So how much
Might not be
amount
the
is to
best.
be collected?
For the second phase?
The second
Lord.
phase, 40 crores?
Lord. No, not 40 crores. Less than that.
Uh,
Those details also I'll give you.
So would
Yeah.
the CCP first see that this amount is collected and then go for third phase or what it is?
So we'll have to see what is
Simultaneously.
best.
Doing it simultaneously.
Yeah.
Both this.
Yes.
See, now we've signed the first thing also. It was not done during any other. Now Pramay now has taken the initiative and he's got the first signature. So now we are hoping that many more also will follow. But our dues for the market are really huge. So we want to start collecting and settling all that issue.
So what are the total dues, any approximate?
In crores it will be. Not even the dues that they owe us, the money that we have spent for the market also is
Yeah.
some 3.5, 4 crores. 4 crores is not a joke also, no? To spend in that thing. It's basically going to their private thing. So that is what we want to stop.
One of your employee has also made this saying that the CCP has not paid him salary. What do you have to say?
Contract salary,
Salary has not been paid.
contract wages salary, daily wages salary.
We have paid everybody's salary. You all can check also.
He
I will give you all the
also
details
mentioned
of
that he had resigned from this post of
That is his
CCP
choice.
harassment.
People are free to come
That
and
is
walk
his
wherever they
choice.
want. We cannot stop them.
Yeah. He can accuse anyone of doing
Everybody
anything.
has
no?
been
He also says that when CCP is yet to collect such amount of money, why you need third phase and all? At least get this money.
See, that is what we have told you now. No? We have decided ourselves only to keep it on hold until we settle the market issue. See, it is a long pending issue and it's a very difficult issue also. No? I have full faith in Pramay. I'm sure he will get everything done also.
How many lease and license agreement have been signed at least now?
See, we've only signed the first one.
First
Now
one.
we have another, say, 5 or 6 ready to sign. 10 are coming in total. So now once we start with those, we're hoping to get the rest signed also.
But what happens to your deadline that each year have set up earlier, saying that by this time at least they should come and sign and all those
See,
things?
practically or not, everything works out the way you hope also. So now this is the first step also. We are hoping to take it forward also. This is not done by any other previous council also.
So
but
that
we are the
has
first
been
one.
done by previous commissioner also. He has issued a notice and everything to get it signed.
Then there were some issues also.
People were not coming forward.
Yeah, but now what kind of them are
Yeah.
ready to come and sign it. For others who are being more stubborn, we're going to issue the eviction notices.
Yeah, but we needed
So
to
what
sign the
is
first
the
one.
time limit we are giving for them to come and sign?
We haven't worked it out. We'll talk to our legal side and we'll work it out.
See, we
To
cannot.
eviction notice, you have to give them time, no?
That is when we issue it, the time starts. So when we issue it, we have to talk to our legal side.
What was the drains issue you all raised? About the drains?
Drain issue.
Drainage.
Surain had.
But even you all think had raised some drain issue in the agenda?
No, so we had proposed a huge drain from Miramar to Balbavan.
Okay.
That drain was rejected due to some technical reasons also.
Okay.
That is said.
Mayor, can you just give this detail about the CCTV footage? CCTV just implementing all over the Panjim?
From Smart City?
Yeah.
I'll get you those details from the locations and everything.